Alright guys, so here is the final look, and y'all, I have had this hair in for about 3 weeks now. I decided some of my updates will be like weeks after I've worn the hair, so you guys can see what it looks like after it's been worn instead of just the fresh hair. So this is 3 weeks old, and as y'all can see, it does frizz. I haven't put any product in it. I haven't even smoothed down my ears and shit, y'all, excuse me. But it does still look pretty good. All I do is put a bonnet on at night. I don't even pineapple it up because it's still kind of hard to bring it back down because I am still no hair on the sides. I ain't got nothing to connect it down to, y'all, so just gonna pull that back on down, you know what I'm saying? But it has been pretty versatile. And other than that, would I recommend this hair? I would say yes as a low luster hair, but y'all, it will get frizzy. And it does kind of, after it does get frizzy, it does have like a little bit more of a rougher texture. So if you're looking for that, this is the hair for you. If you're not, then you might want to go with more of a high luster. But to me, that screams, I mean, we all know it's fake hair, but it screams more weavy hair. I feel like this has a more natural texture and low luster sheen to it. So it's a little bit more believable. I do like the crochet in this method, since I, like y'all saw, I don't have any hair on the sides or the back. This does work better for me. And yeah, so this is what it looks like after a few weeks of wear. See the back? I still am able to do it in the middle. Like I said, I have not done anything with my edges, but it's still versatile. Wear it in the middle part, I can wear it on the side, either way, and all that. So yeah, so I think that's all I got. So until next time, I will see you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video.